Good morning. You are listening Vinay Kumar, your news anchor from Lava Fara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. In today's update, I will tell you how Bihar Regiment soldiers removed Chinese observation post from PP-14 in Galwan Valley. On the evening of June 15, the Indian 3 Infantry Division commander with the other senior officers was at an Indian post near the Y junction of Shyok and Galwan rivers in the eastern Ladakh sector as talks were to be held between the two countries. The Indian security forces, including the 16th Bihar Regiment, were asked to ensure that the post was removed by the Chinese, after which a small patrol was sent to convey the message, sources told. The Chinese observation post was manned by 10-12 soldiers who were told by the Indian patrol to go away from there was agreed upon in the senior level military talks between the two armies. The Chinese refused to do so even as the Indian patrol returned to their unit to inform them about the development. This was when the Indian troops with around 50 people and 16 Bihar commanding officer Colonel Santosh Babu in the lead went on to tell the Chinese to go back further in their territory as they were on Indian soil. Meanwhile, by the time the first Indian patrol returned from the site, the Chinese had called for reinforcements from their rear positions in the Galwan River Valley, who came with around 300 or 350 people. As the Indian patrol reached, the sources said the Chinese had already built up troops on higher ground around the observation post and keep the stones and weapons ready for launching on attacks on the Indian troops. As the two sides started talking, the discussion turned into a heated one and the Indian side started uprooting their tents and equipment. The Chinese, who had already prepared themselves for aggression against Indian troops, attacked the Indian side, in which their first attack was on the 16th CO and Haldar Palani. After the co went down, the soldiers lost the control and started attacking the Chinese furiously, despite being heavily outnumbered and stones raining from the higher ground. The fight went on for over 3 hours till late in the night, in which several Chinese troops were either dead or injured seriously. Next morning, when the situation calmed down relatively, the dead bodies of the Chinese troops were laying in the open and was handed over by them by Indian troops. Sources said a total of around 100 troops took part in the operations from the Indian side, while the Chinese had over 350 people on the location. However, the Bihar troops had managed to uproot the Chinese position there at the patrolling point 14. Soon after the incident, the Chinese reinforced their positions near the location and had their offensive forces ready in the rear locations. Sources said that even though outnumbered, the soldiers managed to remove the Chinese post which was existing there in violation of the agreements between the two sides. Now, the Indian and Chinese Lieutenant Governor level talks and being planned in the next few days in the eastern Ladakh area to defuse the situation further on PP-14, PP-15 and PP-17A. That's it from today. I, Vinay Kumar, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.